Hello everyone, in front of me is iPhone and let me show you how to end a subscription here. So at first you need to reach settings, then click on your ID icon and then select subscriptions. Here just mark the app that you wish to end this subscription to and then just click on cancel subscription. Confirm by tapping on confirm. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. Then whenever you wish to renew it, just tap on renew. And if you want to have it off, smoothly leave it this way. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.